Hey guys, it's Gina. Welcome back to my channel. So I just finished taking out my braids. It literally took me an hour to take it out. Makeup, hair, cleaning, and just getting ready for the rest of the work week. And then I'm gonna put a blow dryer underneath and just like watch a show or something. Like, no?
Only when I went to the mall.
Did they ask for pictures?
Veux-tu vraiment une réponse? Je ne sais pas sur quel ton. Je dois te dire que t'échoues, mais pas mon style de garçon. Et pourtant, moi, je savais que quand tu m'as accosté, je n'allais pas satisfaire ton envie de me baiser. Tu es beau, mais qu'est-ce que t'es laid, ton sourire faux se lit sur tes lèvres, je vois bien que tu es mal à l'aise, tu n'es pas sûr de ta position, mal assis sur ta chaise, à tour de rôle, tu tentes chaque technique, l'humour, l'autodérision, comme c'est mignon, tu n'es pas convaincu, mais tu veux tellement ma plastique, je ne sais pas quoi te dire sinon que tu n'es pas fantastique, tu es beau, mais qu'est-ce que t'es laid, ton sourire faux se lit sur tes lèvres, je vois bien que tu es mal à l'aise, tu n'es pas sûr de ta position.
Yeah.
À mon corps, tu es beau. Sky goes blue, love flows through, and how you feel, dreams are mine. Wake up feeling blessed up.
Gonna get my jazz.
You gon' get these bands, you gon' get these checks up. Made it under pressure.
It's under pressure.
You fall under. Today's a brand new day. Old habits die hard, but we'll find another way.
When I first wake up, I get some breakfast. Usually I just eat a banana or some waffles and blueberries, and I'll drink my coffee or I'll have some tea. The past 2 weeks have been a coffee week. Like, I've been working extremely hard trying to get out content, and I work a regular 9-to-5 job as well, so I need the extra shablam.
Everything is straight. Gon' get left behind if you choose to stay the same. 'Cause I need you inside of me. Do you remember? We went to the park at night and told you how it felt. I'll never forget.
So I was just listening to Nashe's new album. It is such a vibe. I like putting gospel music on and Nashe and whoever else I'm in the mood for in the morning. But I really like the way, even though my makeup looks kind of trash, like, I kind of like it. I don't know. It's giving me Psycho 2012 Beyonce vibes. And then I just threw my wig on. I wanted that bedhead, like, free flowing look. And what is on my shirt? Every time I do a vlog, I wear this freaking jumper. I'm walking to I'm about to catch the train to get acupuncture massage, and yeah, it's like a long ass walk. I'm nervous.
Nervous?
Yeah.
Okay, no problem. Oh,
What's your name?
Huh?
What's your name?
Ren. R-E-N.
Jen?
Ren.
Jen?
R-E-N.
Oh.
What is for that? Don't do that.
You don't want it? You don't want it?
Yes.
No? No? Yes? No? Yes? No?
That's for what?
Yeah.
Just.
I asked you if you want to do it. Baby. Pam got me all the way together. This is a heater that they used. And I'm about to get dressed. So now I am back. I'm on my way back home. And then she did, so then when we were sitting down in the room, she was like, oh, I don't want to be recorded, so I had to cut it off. So that was a little annoying. But next time, which I'm gonna go next week, they put all the needles like in my lower belly, and it was crazy. But yeah, it was the Upper East Side. I went to this acupuncture place in New York, and they was really, really friendly. The lady that did me, after I did my acupuncture, I did a massage, and oh my God, like, she did such an amazing job. She really connected with my body, but I do think that she had like a little shot, and she was listening to some music, and she had like a little AirPod in, and she was definitely like, I was definitely her first client. Like, I could tell she had mad energy. So that was good because I felt her high vibrations, and she just brought me up. So now I'm up. So I forgot to wrap it up, you guys. I'm here at work. Thank you so much for watching.